yes, drink some water.
It's a hot one today. Better watch Daisy. This is where Pickles got stolen. Wished I had stuff to feed the birds. Before I got Daisy, I used to feed the birds. And then when she was a puppy, she'd chase them. But I trained her not to, and she's doing such a good job of being respectful to other creatures. I'm pretty proud of her. None of them really trust her. Giving her a lot of space. Okay, Daisy, let's go this way. Evil. That was fucking evil. It's called a fucktard for sure.
Another 5, and then the 7. Now you want one thing. And that, I think it's a great app. Hey, buddy, how are you? But I think that's a great app.
That's the idiot that laughed at my mask. I have a fucking health condition. I can't smell the urine. And if that guy had a brain in his head, he would be asking, why does it fucking smell like urine down here? I couldn't imagine living in Burnaby, coming and hanging out in this shit show. So it kind of pisses me off. I was ready for him to make a fucking another stupid comment. He was an asshole when I used to volunteer at Cannabis Substitution Project. Just a fucking asshole to me. I had to say, tell him not to talk to me. He doesn't have anything decent to say. It's just criticism. And quite frankly, he isn't tall enough, good looking enough, or smart enough to criticize fuck all anybody.